Hi, and welcome to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 5. There is no need to memorize anything. You are doing very well. Let us begin. Listen to the English words for today. Do not repeat. Now, today, tomorrow, later, go, come, I, you. Now, listen to the English words and repeat them after me. Now, now, today, today, tomorrow, tomorrow, later, later, go, go, come, come, I, you, you. Good. Nice and slow. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I go now. You come now. I go today. You come today. I go later. You come later. I go tomorrow. You come tomorrow. Good. Now, listen to a short story using the words. Hello. Today I am here. You are here with me. I go now. You come with me. We go home. Now we feel good. Later, I go to work. You come later. Tomorrow I go again. You come again. Good day today. Very good. Okay, let us hear the English words one more time. Now, today, tomorrow, later, go, come, I, you. Very good. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for Foundation 6. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.